Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Patch 6 is installed and verified. Make sure integrity checks pass. Once done, back up the entire game folder. This protects saved data and avoids reinstalling. Next, obtain the Only Way DevTools package that explicitly matches the Patch 6 build. Mismatched builds break tools. You will need admin rights to extract files into the game directory, so prepare credentials now. Don't skip verification, because improper versions cause silent failures later. You now extract the Only Way archive into a temporary folder and inspect the contents. Look for DLLs, config files, and a patch manifest. Next, copy the specified files into GameBep in X and plugins. Overwrite only the listed targets. Preserving other mods prevents conflicts. Once copied, set file permissions so the runtime can execute them and right-click to unblock any. DLLs on Windows. Also, update any config keys to point at Patch 6 asset paths, because relative paths often change between patches. You should launch the game with verbose logging enabled and watch BEP in X and Only Way logs for successful initialization lines. If the tools do not appear or the game crashes, quit, restore your backup, and reapply only the files that failed. This isolates the problem. Make sure the correct NET runtime and Visual C++ redistributables are installed because missing runtimes prevent plugins from loading. As a last resort, roll back to a clean install and reapply the matching Only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.